A man pants worth less than $54 million. American court case that lasted 15 years. Roy vs. Chung. Case overview. The incident, May 2005. The dispute began when a former judge, Mr. Roy, dropped off a pair of gray pants for alterations at a neighborhood dry cleaning business in Washington, D.C. When he returned to pick them up, they were temporarily missing. After the pants were located, Mr. Roy insisted they weren't his original pants despite matching tags and records. He alleged that they had returned the wrong pair of trousers to him when he dropped off a pair for alteration. When the dry cleaning business owner Mr. Chung refused his demand for over $1,000 in compensation, Mr. Roy escalated to legal action. The lawsuit. Mr. Roy demanded $54 million. His claims included $500,000 for attorney's fees, representing himself, $2 million for discomfort, inconvenience, and mental distress, $15,000 for car rental to get pants pressed elsewhere, $51.5 million for a stupid fund to help other consume. Mr. Roy's primary legal argument shifted from the lost pants to alleging the dry cleaners' satisfaction guaranteed sign constituted fraud because he wasn't satisfied with their service. Courtroom drama. The trial featured emotional moments, including my Roy breaking down in tears while testifying about his pants, causing a court recess. Despite Mr. Chung's offering settlement amounts of $3,000, $4,600, and eventually $12,000, Pearson refused all offers. Why it's unusual. The case captured media attention as the amount sought was extremely large compared to the nature of the grievance, a claim about trousers from a local dry cleaner. The outcome. June 25, 2007. Primary judge rules in favor of the dry cleaners. October 22, 2007, Mr. Roy loses his job as an administrative law judge, with officials citing his lack of judicial temperament.
September 19, 2007, Mr. Chung's family close and sell their business due to emotional and financial strain. December 18, 2008, D.C. Court of Appeals rejects Mr. Roy's appeal. July 23, 2009, Mr. Roy's wrongful termination lawsuit against D.C. is dismissed. June 4, 2020, D.C. Court of Appeals rules Mr. Roy violated rules of professional conduct, resulting in a 90-day suspension from practicing law. Despite winning their case, they closed their business due to the stress and financial burden. A fundraiser organized by the American Tort Reform Association raised $64,000 to help cover their legal expenses. Mr. Roy lost far more than a pair of pants. He lost his judicial position, professional reputation, and ultimately faced sanctions from the legal profession. The court concluded that no reasonable attorney could have concluded that this case had even a faint hope of success, underscoring how Mr. Roy's arguments morphed into the preposterous. Over the course of the litigation,